pag nagampanan niyo yan, you will continuously as the years goes by. Kasi 5 years pa lang kayo in existence. Tama ba kayo?
Yes, sir.
Ang hirap i-build ang isang bagay na bago sa pananaw ng isang tao. Kaya dapat baguhin natin yung ating sarili. Number 1 requirement. Kasi nabanggit na natin, personal gain, personal interest, personal benefit, ano pa? Marami, di ba? Anything that will hinder public service or public interest is personal interest. Now, question. Between personal interest in the performance of your duties and responsibilities vis-a-vis public interest, which will prevail? Lahat naman tayo. Di ba? Ganun ang isasagot. Wala naman sigurong matino dito nang isasagot niya ay personal interest.